달콤한 딸기. 달콤한 딸기. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is talgi, because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about talgi. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 299. Talgi. Talgi. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ta, second syllable is gi. Pronounce it with me. Talgi. Talgi. The word talgi is simply the Korean term for strawberry. Again, talgi is the term for the fruit strawberry. How do you write talgi in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable tal, we need to draw first a sangdigat character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. And then for the second syllable gi, we need to draw first a giyak character, followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word talgi. There you go, you already know how to write talgi in Hangul. Now let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says sweet strawberry. Again, sweet strawberry. The Korean translation of this is 달콤한 딸기. Again, it's 달콤한 딸기. That phrase could be subdivided into two. The first word is 달콤한, and this is a Korean term for sweet, or this is used to describe something as sweet. The second word is talgi, and this is our word for today, and we already know that it means strawberry. So when we say 달콤한 talgi, it only means sweet strawberry. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of our video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 달콤한 talgi is simply sweet strawberry. And with that, you've just learned talgi. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 289 to 298. But don't forget our word for today, word number 299, talgi, which means strawberry. The first word for our review is word number 298, beper, which means best friend. Word number 297 is mocha, which means hat or cap. Word number 296 is chaida, which means to be dumped or kicked. Word number 295 is streamy, which means hobby. Word number 294 is hamke, which means together. Word number 293 is chima, which means skirt. Word number 292 is mulgogi, which means fish. Word number 291 is sori, which means sound. Word number 290 is mianhae, which means I'm sorry. And the last word for our review is word number 289. It's actually a phrase, Juseyo, which means help me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.